In our spring 2025 issue, we've got a lot of projects for you, as well as some great technique articles and a fascinating community column about the huge wooden dugout canoes from Haida Gwaii. James Dobson shows you how to make a pen presentation box, complete with fabric bottom, using mostly hand tools. I cover how I made this metal hanging rack for my daughter, so she could display her metal collection. I also share with you how I made this large mirror frame using solid half-lap joinery to fix the tapered sides to the top and bottom rails. Rick Campbell shows you how he made this black cherry garden toad just in time for the planting season. Our final project covers how to build this simple but fun toy box to house your kids' or grandkids' toys collection. Our cover story introduces you to wooden wall paneling and covers many of the different ways you can install a feature wall in your home. Finally, my favorite article in this issue talks about the massive canoes the Haida people built many years ago from huge trees they lived near, and how their descendants have continued the great tradition of making these functional yet beautiful vessels. I hope you enjoyed this issue as much as I've enjoyed putting it together.